Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode we're doing a review of the BoldWriter starter kit from Maxi Aids. I hope you enjoy today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about the BoldWriter starter kit from Maxi Aids. I'm sure for many of you in the low vision community, you want to be able to write and be able to see what you're writing without struggling when you're using a pencil or an ink pen. Or maybe you want to write a letter or take notes and actually be able to see what you're writing without using a magnifier per se. And that's where the BoldWriter starter kit comes in. The BoldWriter set of products has 3 different marker or pen sizes that you can choose from. Or if you're not sure which size is going to work for you, you can get the starter kit, which has all 3 sizes available. And as you can see here, this is how they come when you purchase a pack for the starter kit. They're in a nice little Ziploc bag, and there's 3 pens in the set. You have a BoldWriter 20, a BoldWriter 40, and a BoldWriter variable pen. Now, what are these specifically? These are 3 different sizes of black marker. Each pen has its own color combination of black body, white cap, or white cap and black body, and the variable is the same way, but it's a little bit thicker. Myself, I'm a little bit irritated about them. Why? Because these 3 markers, or pens as they call them, are something that are specifically advertised for low vision people. Why does this irritate me? Because there is a well-known brand out there that you can buy and have the same exact result. I'm sure you're probably already thinking of the brand, but we'll get to that in a moment. These 3 pens, as they call them, I myself refer to them as permanent markers, are the exact same thing that you can go and buy in your local store. Now, the difference between these and the ones in your local store is, one, they have a different brand name. They don't refer to the exact point type for their name, but they are essentially the exact same thing. Your BoldWriter 20 is a fine point, your BoldWriter 40 is a bold point, and your BoldWriter variable is the multi-point, where you can have a fine point or you can rotate it slightly while you're writing and give it the bolder print. They tell you not to shake these. I'm not sure why, when that is the first thing that everybody's going to do, whether it's a pen or a marker, when it starts getting low. But mine haven't gotten to the point to where they're low on ink yet to know exactly why they don't particularly want you to shake these. But once they get low enough, you know I'm going to try it just to see what the effect is. These are inexpensive when you buy them in the 3-pack starter kit. They are also available in a multi-set of each style, whether you want a 12-pack of the BoldWriter 20, a 12-pack of the BoldWriter 40, or a 12-pack of the variable. But essentially, you can actually go to your local store and buy 2 Sharpies of the same exact point type as you can for 1 pack of the starters. Now, of course, with everything going on in the world right now, with the prices changing, that may actually change. my local stores right now, I can get 2 Sharpies for about $3. This pack here of the BoldWriter starter kit is just about $4, just over $4 from Maxi Aids, and you get the 3 different sizes. Now, to get their 12-pack sets for each of them, it's closer to $13 to $15. And that's my big deal, is these are advertised specifically for the low vision community, and the Sharpies are, well, obviously Sharpie. They've been around for years and are the most well-known when it comes to a permanent marker, and they also come in various colors and point sizes. So you can either go to Maxi Aids and get a BoldWriter 20, 40, or variable, or you can go to your local grocery store or department store and buy a Sharpie in a fine point or a bold point or a variable tip. If I was to give these a rating between 1 and 5 stars, or 1 to 10, I would give them a 4 out of 5 or a 9 out of 10. Specifically because 1, they're not that expensive. 2, they are made to be for the blind and low vision community, and they are set up in an easy to see color set, black and white, to differentiate which size is which. However, because they are advertised as BoldWriters compared to being just a standard Sharpie, that's why I dropped my 4 to 5 or 9 out of 10. Because why should we have to go to a specifically accessibility store for the low vision and blind, or for the disabled, when I can go to a local store and get the same product for close to the same price? Seems to me like this is a company taking advantage, in my opinion, when I can buy the same exact markers from a local store and have a brand name, compared to going to an accessibility store and paying close to the same price for 2 markers and having them specifically advertised for low vision. I'm not saying this is a bad business practice, but this is something that kind of irritates me. I could probably rant about this for a while, but I'm not going to. But that is my reasoning. They're not too expensive. They are somewhat designed to be more visible to the low vision community, and they're not a bad product. You can make your own determination on whether or not you want to buy these online from Maxi Aids, or through their phone service, or through their catalog. But just do note that when you do buy these, whether you're online, over the phone, or through the catalog, unless you reach their free shipping threshold for order size, you are going to have to pay for shipping on these. And I don't know about you, but I don't want to order just a 3-pack of markers for close to $4 and then have to pay an additional $8 for shipping. So you can make your determination on that. If I were you and I was going to get these markers myself from Maxi Aids, I would get them as well as another product or something, so you're not paying for the added shipping, and I would get whatever other items you want to get to that $39 threshold for the free shipping. Otherwise, go to your local store and just buy Sharpies. Whether you buy a plain back set or you decide that you want the color ones, depending on whether or not you're colorblind, I myself would do that because it's pretty much the exact same product. If you have any questions or comments, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you enjoyed today's product review. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day or evening depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you in the next episode.